guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 multi-air engine, guys, and you need to replace your MAP sensor, okay, this is the sensor for the atmospheric pressure, guys, in the intake manifold. Stay with us, guys, and we'll show you guys how to replace the MAP sensor and where it's located. Now, practically, guys, you don't have to remove your engine to do that. We have the engine out because we'll have at least 100 videos on that engine alone. And that way we can show you how to do things, how to replace things easy. And that MAP sensor, it's really hard to show you if the engine is in the vehicle. If you need to buy a MAP sensor, guys, you can find, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. In addition, we have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let us show you now what needs to be done and where it's located. So, facing, guys, the engine, if the engine is in the vehicle, okay, you will face the engine that way. So let me explain now where that MAP sensor is located. It will be on the left side of the engine, but where is your intake manifold, guys? Okay, let us explain now. Okay, the intake manifold is on the back side of the engine. Okay, you can see you have the throttle body there, fuel lines right here, injectors are underneath it. This is the intake manifold. And right next to your water pump, this is your water pump, guys, right here, there is one sensor. That sensor, guys, is the MAP sensor. And this sensor is really reachable, okay, if engine is put together underneath the vehicle. If you get in, you can get to it, okay, but another way to do it, okay, will be from top, and you might need to just remove that intake pipe. Okay, that intake pipe is super easy to remove. If you don't know how to, check it out, we'll have it on the channel. After that, guys, that's where it gets interesting. Most people will now break their intake manifold, and that intake manifold is expensive and really hard to replace. You can check out the video on the channel and see why. Now, people will not know how to remove that thing. Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, many of those use that type of sensors. So you need to press down here, guys, okay? You may have a safety pin, a red safety pin, pull it out. This one doesn't have it, okay? And just go ahead, press on it and pull to the back. Okay, you can see just like that. After that, guys, what you need to do? That sensor, people will try to pry it, they will try to pull it out. It doesn't work, guys, okay? So what you need to do? You need to, guys, go ahead and go counterclockwise to about right here. Okay, that's about 90 degrees, check it out. A little bit maybe past 90 degrees, so probably about 100 degrees. From that point on, grab it and pull it out. There is only one O-ring holding it in place. If that O-ring is really dry, it may, guys, actually, what will happen, actually you'll get stuck a little bit, so you might have to turn a little bit harder and pull it out. If you need to buy a new one, we have it in the description of the video below, check it out. That's how you guys remove it. Installation practically is in reverse order. We took it apart. Okay, you get it in up to that sweet spot, then turn it and it's ready. Connect your wire and you're ready to go. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.